the boy, the one with the brown feathers.
And
You
then
can give me
there's
get
the
up.
ball. Snow. Bad ball. Bad ball.
So what do you name them, Jenna?
Snow and Goofy.
Goopy? Or I thought it was Phoenix.
He's a
I want to call it that.
Flippy.
Yeah.
They're on your iPad, Jenna. They're.
She's gonna poop on your iPad.
Oh my god.
Come on,
On my
watch
duck
me.
plush.
They're watching. They're watching.
They're watching iPad?
Look, Snow is watching.
Hi, Snow.
Snow, you're watching? Huh? Good
Imagine
job,
Flippy
Snow.
just poops.
Flippy.
What's his name? Flippy or Goopy?
Oh, you know.
Flippy.
I kind of like Phoenix.
No, I like Flippy. You want to the storybook? Okay.
Storybook?
Wait,
Imagine they peck your iPad.
They're
I think
watching.
they'll pick.
one teacup.
Daddy, she's reading storybooks.
Two.
Oh no. No, they're on Jenna's iPad.
Oh, I mean two.
They're pecking your iPad. They're playing your iPad. Oh.
Four.
They tried to pause it
They're trying to pause it.
or something.
Keep reading, Mama Bear.
5. 5. Cute. 5. 20. Play.
They're climbing up.
6. 6. 20. 6.
I didn't know they could.
6. Spoons.
And then,
They're so cute.
look at it's growing on their feet also.
Yeah, leaves.
It's like foot fungus.
7.
Foot
7
fungus.
pretty
Feathers.
feathers. I'm done at the end.
Jenna, they're pecking your iPad. Try to pause it.
Maybe them like number blocks.
Ah. I want to hold one.
Snow. You can hold Snow and
Number blocks. Come on, Snow.
oh, Aiden's so cute. He's so gentle with Snow.
Hey, I want Snow.
Oh,
This
we'll
one.
put it on the book. That's the bird drop off.
Mm.
What does he smell like, Jenna?
They smell like nothing. At least feathers.
Okay, say bye.
No.
Let's hang out with them next time.
Bye.
Part 2 coming.
Say bye. 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 Bye, Snow. Bye, Phoenix.
That means
Bye,
bye.
Silkie.
That means bye.
I think they're looking at the camera.